Welcome to Health Stories. Car crash can be extremely fatal, especially during the night time. Numerous statistics has shown us that car crash has increased to a considerable extent, especially during the last decade. This has resulted in many of the major and the minor fatalities and the casualties across the globe. Safe driving can not only ensure our lives but also the life of the people who are on the streets. Hence, we request everyone to drive safe. If you are not comfortable, just take a break. Don't stretch yourself and do something that is not imaginable.